guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious grilled jerk chicken. So for this I am using some chicken thighs and then some drumsticks as well, but if you only have drumsticks you can use drumsticks, or if you only have thighs you can use thighs. And then I am going to be needing some lime to clean my chicken, and I'm using some jerk seasoning, the pre-made jerk seasoning. This is the mild and the brand is the Walkerswood. That's the only brand I really like to use. And I have a hot and spicy one. I will be mixing the two. However, the mild one is nice and hot by itself as well, but unfortunately I just don't have enough of it, so I'm mixing the two. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started, you want to grab a piece of your chicken, and I like to trim off as much fat as possible because the fat is not going to really do you anything. So like I said, trim off as much as you can off. Okay, and I also like to go like in this pocket. I'll turn it around right here. I like to try to trim the fat off out of that one as much as I can as well. Okay, and I also like to pull off this little vein right here. I'll show you guys. You guys see it coming up? I like to pull that off as well. I do have other videos where I show you guys exactly how I clean chicken. I will leave the link of those videos right above or underneath this video for you guys to check out. Okay, again, I'm just trimming off as much fat as I can, and I am going to leave the skin on my chicken just because when I place it in the grill, the skin is kind of a protector for that chicken. And I do have an oven jerk chicken on this channel as well, but many of you usually message me or email me asking me about a grilled jerk chicken, and I keep my grilled jerk chicken very basic. Like I said, I do love using the one in that container. So I like to put one cut just like this, one slit into my chicken, and then put it over here. And then how I clean these, I like to take this yellow part right here, just scrape it off. Sometimes it come off easier than other times. Okay, just like this. All right, and that, just take off as much fat as you possibly can, and then put a slit in that as well. Okay, just like that. And then once I do that, you want to take your lime and just really brush it over your chicken. If you have vinegar, white vinegar, you can use that as well. Like I said, I'm just going to brush it all over my chicken, and I'll do the same for this piece as well. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to rinse it under really hot water, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I season my chicken. I'm done cleaning all my chicken, and now I'm going to take like a teaspoon of the mild jerk seasoning, and I'm going to add about half a cup of water to it and just mix it and set that to the side. I'm going to use this to brush my chicken. That way my chicken is not too dry when it's cooking on the grill. Okay, so again, set that to the side. Now it's time to season our chicken. Again, I'm only using the jerk seasoning. This have scallions, scotch bonnet peppers, salt and black pepper, and allspice, nutmeg, some citric acid, and some sugar cane, some thyme. So really everything I would have used, so I don't really have to go to the store and buy each ingredient separately. Okay, and this smells and tastes amazing. I'm using a couple teaspoons of the spicy, and then like 3 teaspoons of the mild, only because I have a lot of chicken. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is take each piece of chicken individually and just rub some of that seasoning. Again, go light-handed on this. You don't want the seasoning to be too heavy in the chicken to make it extra spicy. All right, so just do that. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I will be creating another YouTube channel for my family to vlog. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. And I do have another channel that I only speak Haitian Creole. So if you are Haitian who only speak mostly Creole, you can go follow me in that channel as well. The link for the channel will be down below for you guys to check out. Okay. So again, all I'm doing is rubbing the seasoning in the chicken, and then I'm going to place it in the fridge for a good hour or to 2 hours. And I'm not even going to add any more salt because this have plenty of salt in it. All right, you don't want to put too much salt in your food anyways. So again, place it in your fridge for about an hour or so, and then we can start grilling when it's ready. You want to make sure your grill is preheated to 300 degrees. And my jerk chicken, place it right on top, so it can cook nice and slow. Okay. And of course you want to cover it for a good 10 minutes and then continue checking on it every 5 minutes. Make sure it's not burning. And we are going to cook it until it is done. And I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. You guys remember that little jerk seasoning I mixed in with some water? I'm going to use that and brush it on top of the chicken, just so my chicken is not dry. Just lightly brush them in, and then after 10 minutes or so I flip them over and brush it again. Alright, my chicken is done, as you can see. Okay, and I will show you guys some of that drumstick. You can see it is done. Alright, so hopefully you guys found this video helpful. This is an easy way to jerk some chicken on a busy summer day. But this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.